Black Myth Wukong Review. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated game Black Myth Wukong. Based on the classic Chinese tale Journey to the West, this action RPG has captured the attention of gamers worldwide. So let's explore its gameplay, graphics, and overall experience. Black Myth Wukong is developed by the Chinese studio Game Science. The game features Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, as the main character. Set in a beautifully crafted world inspired by Chinese mythology, players will navigate through stunning environments filled with mythical creatures, fierce enemies, and intricate puzzles. The blend of action and narrative promises a captivating experience. One of the standout features of Black Myth Wukong is its breathtaking graphics. The game uses Unreal Engine 5, which allows for incredible detail and realism. From lush forests to dynamic weather systems, every aspect of the environment is meticulously designed. The character models are equally impressive, bringing the rich lore of Chinese mythology to life in a visually stunning way. Moving on to the gameplay mechanics, Black Myth Wukong offers fast-paced combat that combines melee attacks, magical abilities, and strategic dodging. The fighting system is fluid, allowing players to chain together combos and unleash powerful skills. Additionally, the game features a unique shape-shifting ability, letting players transform into different creatures to solve puzzles or gain advantages in combat. This adds depth to the gameplay, encouraging exploration and creativity. Now let's discuss performance. During my playthrough, the game ran smoothly with minimal lag, even in intense combat situations. The developers have promised ongoing updates and optimizations, which is reassuring. However, as with any upcoming title, there may be some bugs at launch that need addressing. In conclusion, Black Myth Wukong is shaping up to be an incredible addition to the action RPG genre, with its stunning visuals, engaging gameplay, and rich narrative. It's a game that fans of both mythology and action will want to experience. So if you're looking for a fresh take on classic tales, this game will be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming!